All right, good morning. It is day 15 of Skate Across America. Third week. Didn't end the second week too strong. Got hit with like a crazy sequence of events right at the end of the day. So I had like basically a perfect day, cruising ahead of schedule, some of my best mileage yet. And then I just got slammed with a chip seal road for like 10 miles, which I'm currently like trudging through today. And got hit with a little rain, no big deal. But my phone fell out of my shorts last night. I don't know if anyone saw that. And I skated back to get it, and a car had ran it over. Completely shattered it, crushed it. Can't turn it on, so I don't know if I'm gonna get the footage. And that's kind of where we're at. So I had to just chop. It was like drizzling, and I kind of had to like recalibrate. So ended the stream, drove to a T-Mobile, hooked up another phone, all that stuff. So, not that huge of a deal. It was kind of funny, but it just set us back because I was trying to get some good mileage and had to end at like 78 or something like that. So that's where we're at. Now I got a slow, painful morning on this chip seal. Just got to get through it and hopefully break free onto some good ground. But yeah, that's what we're looking like today. Heading towards San Antonio, but still a decent ways away. And yeah, that's it. Let's just start pushing and go nice and slow and not try to burn out too early. Big shout out to Adorama for sponsoring the trip, holding us down, help making it happen. And I sat on my Camelback spout. Now I'm soaking wet on my pants. But we got this, we're good. This may be the worst, some of the worst grounds of the trip right here. I didn't sleep much. Woke up middle of the night, thinking it was the morning. Probably 2-3 hours, 3. Oh no. Okay, well my GPS is telling me to go this way, and that just looks like dirt. So we're gonna go straight. Looks like it takes us slightly out of the way, but it's kind of what we gotta do. At least we made it through the chip seal. The groin hurts a little, but that's all right. Got out relatively unscathed. One, it stinks over here. And two, I was supposed to go kind of in that direction, and it was a dirt road, what my route took me to. So we adjusted. We're going straight now on this. Luckily it's smooth, but it takes us slightly out of the way to get to the road we were heading to. Not a huge deal, but something to consider. One of my fears of Texas is like so wide open. The main roads are good, but how often will that happen? Will one of the main roads I need to get across end up being dirt? We'll have to backtrack a ton. Let's hope not, but that was kind of my main worry. One of my biggest worries for the trip, because I've never traveled through this part. But by the looks of it, yesterday and today, it looks like the roads that do go through are pretty decent. So we'll see. Yeah, you can smell it though, man. I don't know exactly what it is because I have no idea about this industry, but it smells like gas, butane. I don't really know. Let's see. This is crazy, man. This whole entire area is just all this. That's awesome. How's it going?
You need a lift?
Oh no, I'm skateboarding across America. I'm on day 15. Today's day 15. I left from Venice Beach. Yeah, sure. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. What's your name?
My name's Fido.
Chad. Nice to meet you, man. So I'm seeing a question in chat asking about my wheels and if it's mandatory to keep them from Guinness World Records rules, or if it's the self-imposed rule. It's kind of a little bit of both. So their rules, I think, are technically like you have to use the same skateboard setup unless something malfunctions. Now, a chip just kind of came off my wheel, right? That's probably a malfunction and I could probably take it off. But you can't really communicate with them fast. It takes like weeks, usually, or days, or if you're lucky. So, the time you take it off, you may lose your chance of getting the record. Yeah, it's a piece of paper made by a beer company, so who cares? But if you wanted just to say you have it, you might throw it away by changing the wheels. I started the trip with that, like, my first trip with that rule in mind. And then after like a week, no, it was probably the halfway point. And I was like, these things are still rolling like the same. Like, there's some deformities, but the contact patch is the same. So it's like basically rolling the same. So I'm just gonna keep using it. And then people started losing their minds, and that makes me laugh. So then I just keep doing it. And to me, it's those nuances in life that make it fun to see if one skateboard wheel can make it across the country. I'm like one of the only people that's ever gonna attempt this, so let me see if it's possible, you know? Why not? That sounds good. Yeah. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Thank you. Have a good day. Look at this. I actually haven't had a peanut butter and jelly maybe since I was like 8 years old. Okay. So this was the next turn. Looked a little risky at first, but looks like it's decently paved. Who knows how long it'll last. I'm scared of this road, man. Look at this pavement here. I mean, that's really rough. But I think we're okay for a bit. Which ones? We're going vacation socks.
Why?
Bet you didn't expect that, huh?
Why?
Why not?
I just handed you a black pair.
Exactly.
Dude, that's crazy.
You gotta throw life some curveballs sometimes.
I don't know if they know how crazy that is. They must. And the hat? Oh my god.
Well, if I'm gonna go vacation, I need to be on vacation.
The road's not even smooth for vacation. That's insane, dude.
What is?
The color.
What do you mean?
It's blue.
So?
I've never seen that.
You ever seen blue?
Not on you. The gray hat was like enough of a shock.
Get out of your comfort zone, man. Oh my god, I'm frightened of this road, man. To be honest, it could be bigger than I'm even making it to be, and I'm making it to be pretty big. Like, the problem of not being able to get through this big part of Texas with the roads could like completely devastate the whole trip. Yeah, pretty easily. Look at this, talk about ominous. There you go. It's so crazy to me that this whole part of the whole cut, like this giant chunk of the country is just all whatever, oil and gas. And I've never really seen it. Like, I've heard of it. It's wild. It's like a whole other world. Who owns this stuff? Like, how do you get to own this land, you know? Must be passed down. Couple of raindrops. Uh-oh, loose dog. of them. Hey, stay, guys. Go. At least he listened well. He stayed. I'm feeling some drizzles. Cool. Goodbye, Grand Falls. It was nice knowing you. Pit crew. It happens. Chip seal's so gnarly. I'm on this road for 30 miles. If I'm on this for that long with this pavement, I mean, that's absurd. This road, man. Hopefully it changes back. It's so bad. If it stays like this for that long, this is probably the worst.
I don't know how these Crocs became like a star of this live stream.
I mean, they're loud.
Loud?
Yeah, they're loud. What'd you think? No one was ever gonna say anything about them?
Dude, everyone wears Crocs.
No, that's
They
a
wouldn't be
dude.
such
That's like a political statement.
They're comfy.
Yeah, and you do nollie flips to them. I mean, you're like their PR guy. Miles. Brutal chip seal Miles. I'm okay, thank you. I have a support vehicle over there. Thanks. I don't know where this like extra swelling came from. Maybe it's from the 1,000 pushes just pounding it into the concrete over and over.
Could be.
Probably
not.
Yeah. Thousands, drastic understatement.
Yeah.
Hundreds of thousands, probably. Just hit 50 miles. Let's go. Aw. Look, there's a little dog in there. Where did he come from? Oh, there's a whole family of them. It's okay. Go. Go. It's okay, go. 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 That was interesting. Couldn't really pinpoint, like, if they were just curious and friendly or protective of the small dog that ran away first. I don't know if you guys saw that. How's it going?
Kyle.
Chad, nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
How you feeling?
Dude, how you doing?
I mean, I'm having fun. It's a little rough out here, though.
Yeah. Dude, yeah, I'm with my whole family.
Oh, nice. Hi.
We're camping in.
I'm Chad. Nice to meet you.
In Monahans, we're camping at the same.
Oh, really?
Just for the weekend, and
Nice.
I was like, holy crap! My wife planned this trip months ago, and I had no idea that we'd even be close to.
I just happened to be skating right
Yeah.
past, basically. That's funny. Hey, guys.
Yeah.
What's up?
You want a fruit roll up?
I kind of do. That looks awesome.
Yeah, they're like healthy roll-up snacks.
Thank you.
It's such a big task just to get across Texas.
Yeah, it really is. It's hard to, you can watch any video, but until you're like out there for like 16 hours pushing on that ground in
Yeah.
the sun, you don't really feel it, you know?
Yeah,
Like it is a monster
it's
task.
huge.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I used to stop just to make sure you're okay.
Yeah, I'm doing good. Just skating along.
Good, man.
Have a good day. Thank you.
Yes, sir. You want to skateboard across?
Yeah.
Man, awesome, dude. I watched your video this morning.
Hey, that's awesome. Thank you so much.
Brother, good luck.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Awesome.
Have a good one. Wow, wind is brutal, man. have some water in my back, but I appreciate you. Hey, thank you, man. Thank you. This is frustrating, man. I know I can do this in 30 days. I'll be happy if I don't. Don't get me wrong, but God, I know I'll never get another chance to do it this fast. And I know I can do it. Some nice views, though. Finally switching up a little bit. You coming over here? What the? Yo, what the hell? How's it going? You get it, yo. You just roaming around? You wanna come, don't you? Come! Across America, let's go! Yeah! Come on! Yeah! Come with us! Just 3 jackasses walking around the country, wandering around. He's definitely a supporter, that's for sure. That is for sure. I cannot believe how long this road is this brutal. That chip seal makes your ankles so exhausted and your calves. 73, I think that's all I got. And who knows? Like, I envision all of Texas being like this.
This is chip seal.
Yeah.
Looks so bad.
Go push. Go, no, push. Come on. Do a nollie flip. The people want to see it.
I can't do it.
They've been waiting for those Crocs all evening.
I don't even have socks on.
Good. It makes it even more impressive. Look, he's not even moving. I think I'm gonna call it. It's frustrating, it's annoying. It's just not worth the progress for how damaged I am, right? So I'll say I spend an hour or two and I go like, what, 4 miles? And just exponentially destroy my knee and my toe. And I don't know, it just doesn't seem worth it as much as I want to keep going. Yeah, long day, man. I was frying in the sun all day. Now, all right, hold on.
Crocs, no socks.
Wow.
The wind like pushed me back after I popped.
Well, one windy nollie flip.
The wind keeps pushing me either way.
Chat wants to see it. Wow.
There we go. Crocs, no socks. Wind, chip seal.
Nollie flip a
Cruiser
day.
wheels.
Keeps the,
Chip seal away.
yeah.
I didn't realize how strong this wind is until right now.
I've been doing that for the whole day. It's been against me.
Like on that nollie flip, when I popped, I like just went fully back this way on the first one.
Yeah.
It doesn't make any sense.
No, and then picture being weak and hot, and then 12 hours with that wind. You're just like, I can't go through it anymore.
Brutal.
I'm happy we did that much today. Whatever. I need to rationalize it. It is what it is.
Start at 2 a.m. tomorrow.
All right, guys. I need some rest. I need some food, and I need some ice for sure. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys early in the morning tomorrow.